Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to enhance your MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 view. It's the same process for all. Now what you want to do is you come to the chart section, okay? And then what you do is you tap anywhere on the chart, you just hold it, and what you do, you click here on this icon, okay? This opens up the settings. Now here you can do a lot of things. You can go ahead and scroll down, right? You can click on colors, for example. You can change the color scheme you want. You can change the grid as well. Anything really. You can go ahead and choose, say, this color. You can change the candles as well, bull candles, right? To make it more visible for you, or just switch things up. So we'll change the chart line. We'll make it this color right there. You can scroll down, can do stop limit price lines, sell lines, and as you can see, you can have these. Make sure you click save. A lot of people don't save it. That causes issues. You can toggle on free chart movement as well if you want. And a line type, this is an important one, you can change. So usually people use candlestick. You can do bar charts if you want, if that is better for you. And then you can come back right here and see the changes, right? This is what it looks like. And you can go ahead and keep adjusting as you please. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.